Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover VECHAIN. So guys, VECHAIN looks like it's working according to plan at the moment. Okay, so you can see that VECHAIN did break this support line and it has come and fallen in this green box. So it's good. Basically the whole pattern, the support is broken, but I would say you can see right over here. Whenever it does something like this, it does come back in. So if it can come back in this pattern, that could still be a valid pattern. Now, if it does break it, consolidates in this box, that's still fine until and unless it doesn't break this bottom over here, okay, the bottom of the green box, because that would invalid the Elliott wave. And if you close a candle over here, then yeah, Elliott wave theory is invalidated, okay, until unless you're here. But you can see where Bitcoin is right now. Bitcoin is also, has recovered, and if it can start going towards the upside, obviously VeChain will start pumping towards the upside as well, okay. Now, if you, like I told you in my previous videos, okay, when we had this dump, because we did in-depth analysis on VeChain, we had, you can see the 1.414, 1.618 area came a little bit down to the 2 level, close to it, and then bounced back. This was the Corona dump, okay? So you can see over here what happened every time we were holding support at the 1.414 area, and then this Corona happened, okay? So let's ignore this, okay? And then we went towards the upside, but you can see that 1.414, 1.618 area is pretty much one of the best area of support for VeChain, I would say. Now, when you measure this move, price went towards the upside. You can also see again what happened here, same thing happened towards the upside, okay, 1.414, 1.618, but went all the way to the 2 level. Obviously then a tracement happened, okay, and then obviously came towards the downside. So this is good. I mean, whatever happened towards the downside, same thing goes towards the upside, okay. Now if you bring your 20 moving average, okay, and the 50 moving average, okay, and you go in the monthly time frame, you can see what VeChain is doing in the monthly time frame, because I think the monthly time frame is the best time frame for VeChain, okay, because it is slow. It does, it's like basically all the metaverse coins are basically the rabbit. Bitcoin is basically somewhere the market leader, and VeChain is like a turtle, okay. But when the time comes for VeChain, it will pump drastically towards the upside, okay, but it's only the time when it will come, okay. But again, I mean, what a great area to, put some in right over here when it dumped, so but, I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just saying this was a really good area, okay. So now if you look at this, uh, 20 moving average, okay, so you can see the price is below in the monthly time frame in the 20 moving average. Now if you just take this 20 moving average and just move it over here, because that's how the 20 moving average was coming in, okay, the price was below it. So you can see over here, this is an imaginary 20 moving average. We can also think of it that the 20 moving average was here, but I believe it was right there. So you can see price came up, hit the level. Once we broke it, came towards the upside. So we did have a couple of, touches before we broke it. So exactly like that, I believe that, if this is the bottom for VeChain, yeah, so if this is the bottom for VeChain, we will come and try to, you know, test this moving average now. Okay, now if you can break it, whenever you see a monthly time frame, you can see the candle close above it, like, or something like this. This is your indication that VeChain will start pumping towards the upside. Okay, it will go up, hit the level, come down, exactly how it worked over here. So keep an eye on this, because it's actually working out towards the same thing. Now again, as I told you in the Fibonacci, 1.414, 1.618 level. So you can see here, top hit the 2 level, but this was the main area for VeChain. Now if you look at this dump over here that happened, okay, you can see the 1.414 area, okay, 0.025, okay, it's sitting right here. 1.618 is right over here. So yeah, I mean, it is working out exactly like in the previous dumps it had. So it has come and hit this level, and let's see if it can hold it. Even if it goes down, I mean, no, I don't want it to break this, come into this area. Okay, if it comes in this area, Elliott wave theory is invalidated. I'll just be very straightforward with you guys. Now, if you look at it from a different perspective, measure it from here. Okay, and look at this. It's on the weekly actually. Okay, so you can see the price came all the way down. I told you that this was the 0.618 level, but the 0.382 level was setting over here. So you can see what VECHAIN is trying to do at the moment. It came all the way down to the 0.236 level, very close to in this area. Okay, very close in this area, but it has moved up, trying to get above the 0.382. If you can do that, close a candle above it, obviously then price will try to get into this pattern. Okay, this channel that it was in, and it would be even much better if you can get in this pattern before the week closes. Okay, now let's quickly check what's going on in the RSI as well. Okay, nothing special, but I think there is a bullish divergence that's taking place in the weekly time frame in the stochastic, and stochastic is a very powerful indicator. Okay, whenever it does something in the stochastic, the price does tend to go in that direction. So there, if we can close, let me just show you. If we can close this, whatever it's doing here, above here, and we have this bullish divergence in place because we have never had it before, okay, in the weekly time frame for VECHAIN. Let's see, did we ever have it? Nope, we never had it. So if we have it, then I think there's a good rally that is going to start. And again, like I said, the Elliott wave theory fundamentals are still in play. Okay, I'll quickly draw it one more time so you get a better picture. Okay, this is the first wave, this is the second wave, this is the third wave, and see, I told you it's gonna come somewhere in this green box. So if this is the bottom, I hope it holds. If it holds, yeah, then we can start moving towards the upside, and wherever that upside is, we can just easily, you know, analyze it, because this run over here was you will understand better in the weekly actually. And we have to hide these extra lines so it looks easier to analyze. Okay, so quickly I will do this again. See, this is the top, the price came and held it. That's one more indication. Okay, so measure this here, right over here. Price came, held at 0.618, went all the way to the 2 level. Okay, and you can see the price was below this high. Okay, so now if we just say, okay, and you can also see if the 1.414 and the 1.618, if this is the low now, the price at least comes somewhere over here, right over here. Okay, right over here. Okay, this is the high, exactly like this. This is what I'm doing. Look at this pattern over here. We measured this over here, and the price went to the 2 level, close to the 1.414, 1.61. So you can see 63 cents to $1 too, because these levels are sitting right over here. If the Elliott wave theory is active and still you know, respects it over here, then these are the levels it can get to. Okay, from that theory of Elliott. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. If you think my videos are good, just like the button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.